I have an unboxing to share with you guys today. It's something I picked up from Chanel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you like my content, hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. If you want to see what I picked up from Chanel, keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. I want to thank you for stopping by. My bag of the day is this beautiful little Chanel square mini in black lambskin with the silver hardware. I just love this little bag, guys. Just gorgeous, perfect size. So let's go ahead, guys. I want to share with you the nail polish of the day before we get started. And it is this black, and the number on this one is 404. And on top of the black, because it is a matte, I prefer to have the shiny. And this is crystal clear, number 800. The lip gloss I'm wearing today is from Chanel, and it is one of my other favorites, number 712. And it is just a gold shimmer. So let's go ahead, guys, and unbox this. Does anybody have any guesses of what it might be? Is it a bag? Is it shoes? You know, pause and leave your comment below. So let's go ahead, guys. With any further ado, let's get started with this unboxing. So I picked this up down at our local mall here in Vancouver, Canada at Pacific Center. I went in just to have a look because I keep trying to get this item and it is always sold out. It was brought in from another store back in Ontario, believe, or actually Toronto on Bloor Street. So I'm so happy that I was able to get this item as well as this item coming up in a future video. Are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and unbox. Just gonna set it down here and take the lid off. Here is the information here, receipts, so on and so forth. And it did come with 2 dust bags, so you know that it is a pair of shoes. Like I said, this one was really hard for me to get because my feet are so small. I take a 5.5. Go ahead, guys, and see which ones that I've got. This is the color that I got. I really love the classic color. Take them out of the box. And these particular ones were very hard to get because my foot is so small. So guys, there are the beauties that I picked up. These are the Chanel Ballerina flat, the two-tone combination with the tan and also the black kick toe with the double CCs. They are all genuine leather. They do have a 0.4 heel. Let me put one down. Now this shoe does have different widths. It comes in a B, which is average. It also comes in a wide, which is a C. So if you look at the bottom of the shoe and you see just your 36, 37, whatever it is down here, if you see a C beside it, that means it is a wide shoe. This one is done in the lambskin. You can see a side view there. The back, I really like this reinforcement here on the heel. There is the other side. This one is fully lined inside with leather. And what it does as well is Chanel has their cards for their handbags, authentication cards. It also does have the number here in the inside of the shoe. And what I really like about these shoes, they're very classic. They will never ever go out of style. You can dress them up, dress them down. They transition from day to night. You can wear anything with these shoes, from shorts, jeans. You can dress them up, wear them with a suit with some really nice pencil pants or wide leg pants. I just love these. They do come in a multitude of colors and leathers. They come in different colored tweeds. They come in pattern. They come in quilt. And they do come in the different colors for the season. Right now they do have the beautiful pink, which I'm thinking of picking up as well. The cons about these shoes is that they do wrinkle quite a bit. All I've done is took them out of the box, and you can see there was wrinkling, I guess, from other people trying this shoe on, because this shoe did come from Toronto back east. So, like I said, the cons are that they do wrinkle extremely easy. They do show wear because they are a light lambskin leather. And what I would suggest is don't wear these ones in the rain, because once you get raindrops on them, you cannot get it out. But they are a gorgeous shoe. And the pros for this one is that they are a very simple design, very classic. They never go out of style. And like I said, they transition easily from day, work, into evening. They are just a gorgeous, gorgeous shoe. So if you're thinking about getting these guys, I would go ahead and get them as quick as you can, because like I said, they do sell out very, very quickly, and the smaller sizes are even harder to purchase. So let me go ahead, guys, and give you the information here on the box if you are interested in these shoes at all. These ones came in at, before taxes, 1,050 Canadian dollars. So let's go ahead, guys. I'm going to give you some matchups. So guys, these are extremely comfortable. I do have a wide foot. I have no problem with the width, and this is a regular width shoe. It's not a C. C is for wide width. There's the side profile, as well as the sole. And they are squeaking quite a bit. I am not sure if they're supposed to be doing that when they're first new. These are the lambskin with the black kick toe. They are very, very comfortable. I would recommend these to anybody. They would be great walking all day. I don't foresee a problem with that. The heel, like I said, it's a nice size. It supports the foot very well. I just don't like the creaking, but overall I think they are a really nice shoe, very comfortable, easy to walk in. It's just this squeaking which is already driving me crazy. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you like my content, guys, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, follow me over on Instagram at Jandle Smith. So remember, guys, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Take care. Bye-bye.